I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to see what apps have access to your location information on your Android device. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device and then tap Location in this menu. Step 2. Tap Location Services in the list of options on this screen. The next screen will show you 3 sections. You'll see which Android apps have access to your location information all of the time. The next section shows you which Android apps have access to your location information while you're using them, and the final section shows you which apps aren't allowed to access your Android device's location information at all. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.